Now that Mixer is officially shutting their doors, I think there's something really interesting we can see with all these Mixer streamers migrating to Twitch and their approach when it comes to streaming, which I think Twitch streamers can learn from a lot, but also the other way around. Let's see what it's all about. And by the way, my name is Luke. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we're talking all about streaming and everything related to it. You can also stream myself if you want to catch me live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Links down in the description over on Twitch. As we all know, Mixer is shutting its doors on July 22nd, and most of the Mixer streamers actually migrated to Twitch and took the audience with them. But in order to understand why Mixer streamers are the way they are, we need to take a look at the platform itself. Mixer was a really small platform which at the end kind of killed it, but it created a really tight and supportive community. Mixer was all about building each other up, helping each other to get to the partnership, supporting each other, hosting each other, rating each other, and you never really heard too much about sabotaging each other. Yes, there was the occasional hate and there was a few cases where people actually tried to take each other down, but most of it was actually positive. And I think this is something Twitch doesn't really have at the moment. I think Twitch is a competition rather than a team game. On Mixer, about 80% of your viewers were actually streamers themselves. So it was streamers helping out streamers by watching their streams. Long story short, the actual viewership, the community on Mixer, so to speak, it was fairly small. I mean, Mixer, I think they had about 3 viewers per streamer, where Twitch has 25 viewers per streamer. And this led to streamers supporting each other, putting each other on the auto host list. When they are offline, they bring the audience to someone else and they pass it on and on until that person comes online again. This created a really nice circle of support, showing support and receiving support. At the end, what we call it, networking. Mixer streamers were extremely good at networking because it was necessary on the platform to kind of make it. So when all these streamers migrate from Mixer to Twitch, they bring that over. They are continuing to support each other over on Twitch. They're continuing to network and they're reaching affiliate, which is almost like a dream for a lot of Twitch streamers and seems unobtainable even though it is so easy to get within 7 days. Most Mixer streamers made it to Twitch within the first week, the shortest amount of time possible, they were already affiliated. And of course, you might say, yes, they're not starting from zero, they're bringing an audience with them, they're bringing a community with them, but the most important thing what they did is they brought their network over to Twitch and they kept their whole ecosystem alive. I think this is definitely something that Twitch streamers should learn from. I see a lot of Twitch streamers out there that are struggling to get Twitch affiliate, and I think if they would just try to get to know the streamers that are around their size in their game categories, it would be really helpful and support them and receive some support in the end back. The most important thing when it comes to networking though is never to go into this expecting something in return. Try and be honest, go into someone's stream, engage, enjoy it, and at the end you will receive something in return. It takes time, but it is so effective, and I think Mixer streamers really showed that when they came over to Twitch. Also, let me know down in the comments below who was your favorite Mixer streamer, and if you have found them on Twitch, let me know. I'd love to check them out. So while this is like really good, and Twitch streamers should take a look at Mixer streamers, how they approach networking and all that, I think there is something really crucial a lot of Mixer streamers are missing that Twitch streamers have already kind of figured out. And what I'm talking about is bringing people from other platforms over to Twitch. On Mixer, it was extremely easy to be the top streamer in a game category. I mean, in certain games, it only took 3 viewers to be the #1 streamer. Mixer was one of those platforms where you can actually make it simply by grinding out the stream. Simply by streaming for hours and hours on end, and you will be the #1 leader in the game category, and you will make people come check out the game and so on. Some streamers even made it, establishing a whole community around a game that was not represented on the platform before. Now that we're on Twitch, every single game category is filled with streamers. And you need at least a few hundred to 1,000 streamers to even make it in the first rows of most games. This is something absolutely out of our league as a Mixer streamer or former Mixer streamer for right now, so we need to find other ways of pulling viewers to our stream. And while the network is a great way to get started and get your initial 20, 30, 40 viewers that you are bringing over from Mixer, but then also your community, it's not enough to actually get you growing simply by streaming. Twitch streamers have figured that out because most of them tried it. They tried streaming on and you will never make it from the bottom category upwards by simply grinding. They have figured out that you need a YouTube channel, a Discord, an Instagram, a Twitter, and bring your audience from all these different platforms over to Twitch. This is something Mixer streamers really need to learn, and I think they need to adapt in order to make it in this pool that they're now in Twitch. I believe that if Mixer streamers would adapt, bringing people over from other platforms, they would start their own YouTube channel about their field of expertise. They would start a Discord, an Instagram, a Twitter. I think they could rise up a lot higher. In my opinion, Mixer streamers are already a lot ahead of the curve because they came over with the community and a network. But to make it up even further and make it to the top, they need to start branching out further. For Twitch streamers that are just starting out, if they really want to make it from the bottom, they need to start branching out, but they also need to start networking and building a community and a network to push each other further up the game category. Streaming is a game that you cannot win alone. It is a multiplayer game in the end. You need your viewers, you need your community, you need your network in order to make it on the streaming platform. I hope this short video was kind of helpful. Mixer streamers, get on it, start your YouTube, start your own other platforms in order to branch out. And Twitch streamers, start networking. Twitch affiliate is so easy to achieve. You can do it. All you need is a few people in your network and you're set. If you liked the video, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for every upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the bell so you get notified. And if you want to catch me live, Monday, Wednesday, Friday over on Twitch, 10:30 a.m. MST. Stay hydrated, stay awesome. I'll catch you next time.